Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about nerve problems, vertigo, sweaty hands and feet, stammering, snoring, in health problems and natural remedies. Okay. This is how it follows. First one is list of wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. Next one list of concoctions. Next diet plan with millets. Okay. The important part is exercise and what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay. Yeah. Let's start. Wood pressed oils you have to consume on empty stomach. Okay. First week coconut oil, second week sesame seed oil, third week niger seed oil. Okay. After third week you have to repeat this cycle till your recovery. Okay. How much you have to consume? 2 to 3 spoons. Okay. Small spoons. 2 to 3 small. Take small spoon and drink 2 to 3 spoons full of coconut oil like that. Okay, and 30 minutes gap is needed between this bull driven oils and the concoction. Okay, so coming to the concoctions, first week Bermuda grass. Okay, 3 to 4 leaves. Okay, or 4 to 5 leaves depending upon the size. Next, guava leaves, take 3 leaves sufficient of this much size. If they are small enough, then take 4 to 5 leaves. Next, night jasmine leaves. This one take 4 to 5 leaves. Okay, to make concoction. Next, rota gravelens. This leaf size is very small, so you have to take at least 10 to 15 leaves. Okay. Next, either you have to take turmeric sticks or turmeric powder. Okay, if you are buying turmeric powder outside, try to buy organic turmeric powder. But better to take turmeric stick to make concoction. Okay, how to make concoction with turmeric stick? Take a small piece. Okay, maybe 1/5 of the turmeric stick. Okay, or one sixth or 1/7. Okay, and break it into pieces. Okay, either using mixie or your any other means. Okay, small pieces, make it into small pieces, and then you can make concoction in the usual process. Anyhow, we'll be covering how to make concoction at the end of the presentation. Okay, next Indian mallow leaves, take 4 to 5 leaves. Okay, to make concoction. So this is the list. First week Bermuda grass, second week guava leaves, third week night jasmine leaves, fourth week rotagraverens leaves, fifth week turmeric sticks or turmeric powder, preferably turmeric sticks, sixth week Indian mallow leaves. If you do not find any of the above, you can replace it with ginger. Okay, small quantity of ginger you can take. Okay, and then you can put that ginger into hot water. Okay, or you can break the ginger into small pieces using knife or using a hammer. Okay, and maintain a gap of 45 minutes to 1 hour between concoction and the next meal. Okay, next millets, which millets you have to take and how to take, how many days you have to take. Foxtail millet you have to consume it for 3 days. If you are taking 3 meals a day, make all the meals with this millet only. Like that you have to proceed. Sorry, brown top millet for 3 days, little millet for 1 day, kodo millet for 1 day, barnyard millet for 1 day. So eat these millets alternatively for this 9-day schedule. Okay, repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. And no rice, no bread, no wheat products till your recovery. Okay, use only wood pressed oils. Okay, to cook also you have to use wood pressed oils. How to cook millets? There are two types, two ways. Cook it like rice or make millet porridge. Okay, how to cook it like rice? Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on a open top or in a pressure cooker, but avoid pressure cooking when you have good amount of time. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water or 10 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Okay, if you increase the water quantity, they become watery. That is the difference, but it is good only. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay, tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then eat it. Okay, If it is summer, reduce the time 6 or 7 hours. Okay. Exercise, important part, walk for 1 hour minimum a day and increase your walking time slowly day by day. How fast you walk, it doesn't matter. Okay, if you're walking slowly, that also fine, but increase the time. Okay, slowly day by day. What foods to avoid? Milk and all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. In place of sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, honey, and dates. Okay, wheat powder, if you are not diabetic, okay, if you are diabetic, you can still consume honey and palm jaggery, but very little quantity depending upon your sugar level. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, polished millets or refined millets. These are the foods you have to avoid, not to consume. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, all ready-to-eat foods. Now we'll be looking at how to make concoction. Hi guys, you have to take 3 to 4 leaves. 3 leaves of this size is enough to make concoction. Okay, uh, the middle ones are better. Okay, the tender ones are better actually. If you take new leaves, that is better to make this kashayam. Okay, uh, simultaneously I am boiling the water. Okay, when the water is slightly boiled, at that time uh, you have to place these leaves in the boiling water. Okay, and then you have to boil it again for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, yeah, see guys, this much is sufficient. Okay, now we are placing the leaves. Okay, actually you can take only 3 leaves. 3 leaves is sufficient. Okay, and you have to close the vessel. Okay, and sorry boil in a medium flame only. Okay, low to medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I will tell you the rest of the procedure is very simple. What you need to do is you need to keep this lid closed for about 5 minutes. Okay, after the boiling also, and then you have to you have to drink it sip by sip. Okay, when it is slightly warm. Okay, at the time you have to sip it spoon by spoon. Okay, and the water quantity is around 200 to 300 ml. Okay, I took 250 ml, your wish. 200 to 300 ml is fine. Okay, that's it guys. Yeah, this is after boiling. Okay, I kept it aside for 5 minutes. Okay, that you have to do compulsorily, and I will show you the color also, the color of the water. Okay, when it is slightly boiled for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now it is almost 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm taking this away. Okay, the lid away. Now you can see the color of the water. Let me remove the leaves also. Okay, see when there is small particles of the leaves, then you need to filter it using a tea filter, a filter similar to a tea filter. Okay, otherwise no problem. These leaves are of no use now. Okay, you can see the leaves clearly. Now what you need to do, you can drink now only. Okay, by taking a spoon, sipping it slowly. Okay, pour it in a glass and sip it slowly. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you have to make any kashayam. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing. You need to wash these leaves by using running water only. Okay, with water only. Okay, before placing it in the boiled water. And one more thing also, if you cannot drink it just like that, okay, you can add some palm sugar or palm jaggery. Palm jaggery is best. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.